Okay, let's try to update the firmware of the E4K Plus camera. Hold the power button to power on the camera. Okay, and swipe down. Here's the Wi-Fi sign. Enable it. Now it's green. Okay, and it has a Wi-Fi sign there. Now let's go to the smartphone. Start the E application. E. Okay, and first icon, camera, and it says new firmware available. Okay, let's connect to the camera first. Camera, there's the network of this camera. Connected. Back, keep connected. Change device, enter camera. New firmware available. Now let's see. 4K Plus, there's the download button. Current version is 1.270. Latest is 1.311. Let's tap on download. Connect camera to update. 4K Plus. Firmware update, preparing to update. This can take a few minutes. Update now. Upload firmware. Receiving firmware.